Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 12. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. And now enter menu. Go to Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match, enable Hey Google function, and then try it out. Hey Google. Now, when we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also enable assistant responses on lock screen and then simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be rainy with a high of 73 and a low of 54.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.